Welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Walmart order cancellation and what steps you can take to resolve the issue. First, go to Google and search for the Walmart help page. Click on the first official website that appears in the results. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your Walmart account. Scroll down until you find the section about canceled orders. Here, Walmart explains some of the common reasons orders get canceled. These can include exceeding quantity limits or bulk purchase rules, items being out of stock, pricing or listing errors on the website, and other similar issues. If none of those reasons apply to your situation, scroll further down until you see the option that says you didn't find what you were looking for, along with a Chat with Us button. Click on that to connect with support. After signing in, you'll be able to contact Walmart support directly. Let them know that your order was canceled even though none of the listed reasons apply. They can review your case, provide more details, and possibly help reinstate your order. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching One More Guru. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.